Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open Just Eat account in UK. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, download the latest version of the Just Eat food delivery app on your mobile device. So download the app from the Play Store or the App Store and open it up. After that, you will have to tap Get Started and follow through the instructions on screen to start setting up your address and afterwards your account. You can also share your location if you wish, or just enter the address manually. So, I'm just going to enter a postcode here as an example, and after you are done, you will be able to choose the address and set up your account. After you include the address, just switch over to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap Login. This is where you can sign into a pre-existing account using Facebook or your email, or at the top, you will have the option to create an account. So all that you have to do is tap Create an Account. After you tap Create Account, you will be able to input the details about the account that you want to use to sign up for Just Eat. So you can include your first name, last name, email address, then the password and tap on Create Your Account. So that's basically how you can open Just Eat account in UK. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.